Top 10 richest Indian singers and musicians. The way a body is nothing without a heart is the same way the cinema industry is nothing without music. Over time, music has become the most prominent segment of the movie industry. And not just the movie industry, music is helping us to keep our minds sane. Thanks to the changing dynamics of the Indian cinema industry, the condition of Indian musicians has seen a drastic change. A long list of musicians, both singers and composers, have earned a big fortune and popularity. Here we bring you a list of the top 10 richest Indian singers and musicians. Shreya Ghoshal. The queen of the Indian music scene, Shreya Ghoshal, has left us awed with her voices. The singer has a huge fan base in India but also all over the globe. Shreya, who charged 30 lakhs for her songs, has a net worth is estimated to be more than 185 crores. Honey Singh. Starring from Brown Rung to Blue Eyes, every song with Honey Singh's name in the credit list automatically becomes a hit. The star rapper charges Rs 30 lakh per song and his total net worth is Rs 180 crores. A.R. Rahman. The king of Indian music, A.R. Rahman needs no introduction today. The musician who brought the Oscar home has nurtured many iconic albums and songs including Maa Tujhe Salam. He made a lot of money from his US and Canada tours in 2018 and 19. His 2019 earnings are Rs 94.8 crores. Mika Singh. The gabru of the Bollywood industry, Mika Singh has time and again made us leave our chairs and jump on the floor with his strong voice. The singer, who has given many top-notch songs, charges 25 lakhs per song. He has an estimated net worth of Rs 95 crores. Sunidhi Chauhan. Singing from a very young age, Sunidhi Chauhan is currently Time's leading Indian female singer. She charged Rs 15 lakhs per song and her net worth is 65 crores. Sonu Nigam. Sonu Nigam has made a mark for himself as one of the prolific singers in Bollywood. He charges Rs 15 lakh per song and his total net worth is estimated to be around 60 crores. Mohit Chauhan. The stamp Mohit Chauhan left on the Indian music industry is just indelible. The Kun Faya Kun song by Mohit Chauhan gave a sense of relaxation to the Indian cinema industry. As per the reports, he charged Rs 10 lakh per song and his net worth is Rs 52 crores. Arijit Singh. Without the shadow of any doubt, Arijit Singh is arguably the best Bollywood singer in the current generation. He charges Rs 40 lakh for each song and his current net worth is estimated at Rs 50 crores. Badshah. Badshah charges around 18 lakhs per song. Talking about the Indian rap sensation's total net worth in today's time, it is Rs 40 crores. Pritham. Today Pritham has become a music icon in his own rights. From winning the Best Music Director award given by IIFA to dropping multi-hits, he has changed the curve of the industry. His earnings in 2019 are Rs 97.78 while the 2020 earnings are approximately Rs 90.56 crores. That's all in this video. If you like this video, please do share, like and comment. For more latest updates, please subscribe this channel.